Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's MATIC video update for 30 January. Very quickly, if you're not in Discord, join me in the Discord. Now, we've actually see a little bit of a sideways movement and some green candles printing out, getting you excited, but I see from a far distance this one being a nice glorified bear flag. Okay, nothing else. Went down like this, make a bear flag, which is actually gonna break, and the technical target is gonna be from there to there, taking you all the way down to the 0.99 potentially. Okay, that's gonna be your technical target. Now if I turn on the volume, once again, I've seen this with every single coin right at this point of time, with Bitcoin as well, that there's a divergence of the volume. So you are actually moving up like this, and then the volume keeps moving down like that. This is not good. This is not really good. And on the daily today, potentially you might be putting a bearish engulfing candle. So if you see this candlestick closes in the next 15 minutes, and if you try to go a little bit down to the 1.630, you're going to result in a bearish engulfing candlestick, and then from there you're going to actually start to continue the downtrend to go back to that particular price level. But today I've been talking about the RSI, so I'm actually going to bring in the RSI as well. So relative strength index, just like that. So we can study this one on the daily. All right, so the relative strength index on MATIC actually tells me that we are really on the oversold department. The overbought department looks like this. The oversold department looks like that. Okay, now just because you're really oversold, it doesn't mean that you're not going to go down. Okay, let me just assure you this one. Just because you're at the lowest band, it doesn't mean that you cannot go any lower. You could still go to the 12 to the 13 region areas, and it happened like this in previous history as well. So here we are. I'm actually going to show you some of these oversold departments, and it seems like a very good time to buy, but still the chart suggests that there's one more big drop left. Okay, so I'm not actually gonna be really excited that we are oversold, but personally to me this looks like a very good buying opportunity based on the RSI as well. But the problem is that the RSI is still just not enough for us to actually say if we have to buy or sell. Now we do have a resistance line here on the RSI. I'm going to show you this resistance line. So from there to there, this is how you're being resisted. Okay, that's your resistance line right there. So what you could do on the RSI as well, I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to tell you what was happening in the history. So you can see it likes to put a double top, first top, second top, double top like that, and then push to the downside. Do you see that? Again here, the double top played out. Can you put another double top like this one again, and then you continue to the downside? Yes, you could do that. Now I've actually been noticing the RSI for quite some while now on so many different projects and Bitcoin. Watch the Bitcoin update too. Now what I'm suggesting in so many videos is that since you are on the oversold department, and you could also go to the downside, what you can see for MATIC is that when you drop, the RSI drops, and after dropping you make a double bottom like this. Okay, so when you make that double bottom, you come a little bit and get squeezed, and then from there you continue to the upside. So the time to pop out is very soon, and this drop can continue until 13th of February. Okay, it can play out until 13th of February, and then from there you make that double top, because the apex is gonna come, and you might probably be stuck in this range right there, and then you have to force yourself and push out of this resistance, and then backtest and continue to the upside. So we're gonna see until 13th of February or 14th of February as well how the market is gonna behave. February could be the last ride of Bitcoin dumping as well. Then from there, March, April, May, June, July, the summers become a little bit green, and until the end of the year, who knows, we could still go to 100k until the end of the year for Bitcoin, and during that time we could see MATIC still flying all the way to $6, which is my price prediction for a long time now. And that's it for the update. I'm going to see you with the next one. I love it.